Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, click on subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you stay updated with our all latest tech video and trainings. Today we have excited for a topic how to register an application in Azure. If you are a developer looking for integrate your application with Azure services or an IT professional managing the enterprise application, here we guide a step-by-step process. So let's begin. So we need to type here intra.microsoft.com, enter your global admin user ID and password, authenticate via MFA, sign in, yes. Left side you can locate the application, click on app registration, then click on new registration, type here your application name which you wish to register. So I wish to register service now. After that, second is supported account type. I have a single tenant, so I take down first one. If you have multi-tenant, select second one, and there is a third and fourth option. If you wish this kind of create a configuration, you can select this. Third option is redirect URL. So if you have a desktop application, mobile application, or any application or web application portal or single page portal, you can mention your link here and select the specified one, then click on register. Your app registration is created successfully. So as per your customized requirement, you can configure the lot of things you can see here, like authentication, certificates and secrets, token configuration, API permission, expose an API, apps role, owners, roles and administration. Here is a lot of things. And most important thing is that after creating your application or after registered your application, you must need to uh, copy this all this application ID, object ID and the directory tenant ID. Okay, so for more brief for app registration and enterprise application registration, you can see in our upcoming video, because as per the customized requirement there is a lot of different configuration for the API permission. So I try to just introduce you with that API permission, add permission. You can add your application API here and grant the admin concern. So API, and here is the token. If you wish to configure token, you can use this. If you wish to configure this certificate, you can add your certificate here using upload certificate. So here is this more detail required and brief video required. So that video is lengthy. So we introduce the app registration here only. For more details, wait for our upcoming video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel, that is Love Story with Technology. If you have any suggestion for us, please mention your comment in below comment box. Else you can write us on my mail ID atishbarate@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.